Moderately unhinged update here. Woke up this morning, the vibes were so immaculate. Check it out. Birds chirping, sunlight through the trees, leaf growth, immaculate bloomage, incredible. So yeah, the vibes were so amazing that I went full unhinged and I wore flip-flops with socks, bro. Ugh. Wool socks too. Still wearing my pajamas, dude. Savage. K-Cup coffee on deck. Costco brand, of course. But still worth it. Always worth it to catch that morning vibe. My name's TPG. I make chill nature videos like this. Follow for more.